Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullah. In this video, we will see how to cancel sessions. Open the Qurantuitions app, go to my account, log in if you haven't logged in. First, I will book 2 sessions and then I will show you how to cancel those sessions. I will fast forward the video as you already know how to book sessions. The video for booking a session is already available. Here, I have booked 2 sessions. Now, I want to cancel the session. I will go to my account. Then, I will select my course bookings. Then scroll down. Here, I can see my upcoming bookings or cancelled bookings or sessions. I will simply click on cancel button of whichever session I want to cancel. Page will load and it will show critical error. Don't worry, it's not an issue. Just press back button. Again, I will cancel my another booking also. Now here you can see I don't have an option to cancel because these bookings are already cancelled. Now I will check my wallet whether the amount of those bookings is transferred to my wallet. Simply go to my wallet, scroll down, you can see I have got the refund of these 2 sessions.